Hey guys, what's up? I just got my package from Flatface. It's my G6Ds and just some FPS. So let's unbox it. Okay, so there's my FPS. Flatface graffiti sticker. The new Darkwood sticker. I was hoping I'd get that. The new Flatface sticker and the other new Flatface sticker. And my G6Ds. So let's do this. Come on, wait, oh, my pocket. Smooth and fast, shielded bearings, highest quality, unique shape, ultra durable, realistic design, precision machining. So that's what comes with it. On it, let's open. Let's take off my X Games, wiggly, gross looking, not good. Can't wait. I've ridden Flatface wheels before, but I've never owned any, so this is gonna be my first. Okay, I'm so excited. Alright, let's get rid of this. Nice little baggie. Comes with a Flatface wheels sticker. A white one. That's sweet. It's gonna be sweet to put on stuff. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's ridiculous. My god. This is gonna get so... That's crazy. I thought they came with washers, but because it's not a backless design. But worst comes to worst, I'll just invest in some G7s, G7.1s. I'll probably review these later. Just gotta get used to riding them. It feels so different. It's sweet. Jesus. It's like you go so much like I'm pushing down like hard, and it's like they're rolling. Like I'm not used to that. Like X Games wheels, they like like stop if you push down hard. It's like So yeah, sweet. Wow. Alright, I'm not kidding. If you if you want some pairing wheels, just go for Flatface. It's ridiculous. They're so sick. I'm a little worried about the whole backlist thing. If you guys have any ideas for me, like what I should do to make it not mess up the wheel, like, I don't know, take washers or like washers from something or get them somewhere, just like leave a comment and help me out, because I really don't want these to mess up. They're rad. So yeah, I'll probably review these later.